Hey everyone, it's S, and today I'm doing a wardrobe tour, and this is like the first time I've done this. Oh, I'm so excited, I finally got a full wardrobe. So come on, let's do this. Right, so let's start with what I've got on my body right now. This is the first dress that I actually bought, and this is Bodyline Scroll Tea Party. I got it with money from my first real full-time job, and it's back, I don't remember. This was back like just when I had moved back to the US. So before then I'd had GLBs, I'd made dresses. Unfortunately all the dresses that I'd made back then are like lost in the ether right now, which sucks, but they probably weren't that good anyways. But this is, I was so happy to get this. Oh my god. And the wrist cuffs, I made these wrist cuffs pretty recently, and the bracelets and the rosette, I like that. And the head bow is actually the front bow on the dress, and I thought it would be a good idea to take the pin off and put a hair clip on, and I just feel like a helicopter right now. I don't know. I don't think this is a look. I really don't, but I need to have something on my head. So yeah. Secondly, this is also from Bodyline. This is a more recent purchase, and I don't remember what the print is called. It's the fruit tart something. I don't know. I like that it's beige, and I sewed a ruffle on the bottom hem because it's way too short for me otherwise. I'm only like 5'5", so there you go. God. I've heard that this might be a replica. I don't know. It's a basic sailor dress. Again, this is the Bodyline. This was in the same order that I bought this dress in, and I replaced the buttons because honestly, the buttons, like the original ones, looked like dog nipples, so they're gone, and I put some more nautical themed buttons. And also, maybe this is art theft of art theft, but I drafted the pattern for this dress off of that dress, and this I made last summer. I made it for an aquarium meetup because I really wanted something with fish print on it, and I knew it would take time. And by the way, everyone, don't get into sewing this store of clothing because you want to save time and money. You're not gonna. Yeah. This took forever and it cost a lot, and I'm so glad I did this. It's lovely. It's amazing. Here's another one that I made. I'm in love with this fabric print. This is so heavy. There's like 2 layers of cotton in this dress, and it weighs a ton, but I love it. I might consider getting a hoop skirt for this. And the blouse under it is from H&M. The blouse under the fish one is from the thrift store. I don't know. This is one that I made ages and ages ago, and it's showing its wear, and I think I was able to get 5 yards of fabric for 40 bucks or something, and I just went for it. Here's a Christmas dress that I made at least 6 years ago. It is very well loved and needs some repairs. Here's a Halloween JSK that I made last year around Halloween time while marathoning through Penny Dreadful. That was a pretty good experience. And this jacket that I've got over it was, I think it was a Devil-inspired exclusive, I don't know, but it was the cat romance / Junji Ito collaboration, and I love those. So, I'm going to move into the off-brand stuff that I've got. This is how you do it on a budget. I don't know the brand. I recently picked this up off Lace Market for 40-50 bucks, and it's the Space Cat JSK. It's got cats on it in space. I've got cats in my space right now. They're crying. And I did not know this, but there are little goldfish on the print too. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. Got this, bought this off Devil Inspired. I know some people have had bad experiences with them. I haven't. You have to be patient, and you have to be willing to spend like just a little bit more. It's not, I don't think it's a huge markup, but the lace on this is gorgeous. Bunnies, there's strawberries. The waist ties are like this velvet ribbon stuff, and I think I need to do something about that. I'm not a fan, but I like the velvet ribbon on the front. It's another Devil-inspired purchase, and it is, oh, the brand of this dress was Sleep Doll, and then I've got one of my Target blouses underneath it. Got a couple iterations of the Target blouse. And the brand for this dress was Cheese Cocoa, and this was the Nyanpire Halloween print, and I will wear this outside of Halloween. I don't care. Maybe liking Halloween is my personality trait. And I've got this blouse under it from Zelia, and it's got these nice pearl buttons on it, and there's a lace-up back. I didn't lace it up for video because I'm just going to put it in storage, put it in my closet. But I'm a huge fan of this. I'm a huge fan of all of my wardrobe. This is another indie brand piece. This is Infanta and some sort of Hansel and Gretel print. I forget the name. Witch's Candy House. The print was called Witch's Candy House, and there was a front bow on it, but I lost it. I don't know. For me, in my opinion, no huge loss. And the blouse under it is the Bodyline last Taobao off-brand dress is from Zelia, and I got this off of the Lolita collective, which is local to me, and I think that's so awesome that we've got a business. And this is my favorite iteration of the Target blouse under it. The collar is just so huge and obnoxious, and I'm here for it, and got bunnies. It's perfect. This is like my third brand piece, and I just got this off Lace Market recently. And this is Baby the Star Shine Bright. Cherry. Gosh. I'm so bad with names right now. Someone help me out, please. But I feel like I got it for a steal. I only paid $100 for this. And I'm gonna have to shorten these like top straps just a little bit to make it fit, but the length, the seller said that it didn't fit her well because she was 5'2". And for me, the length is perfect, and this is gonna be so lovely for summer. Cannot wait. And this is my baby. Not gonna lie, if I didn't have cats and my house was burning down, this is the thing that I would rescue. This is Magical Etoile. And I don't know what year this is from. This was another one that I bought off of Lace Market in late 2019, so this might be the 2009 release. I'm not sure. I don't know. And I wanted the red, and she does need to go to the dry cleaners. Fortunately, I'm on a schedule now where I can actually get her into a dry cleaners, and I can start wearing her again. But yeah, this is like, I saw this dress in a copy of English GLB back in 2009, and I friggin' fell in love with it. And just so happy to have it and to be able to wear it. So that's all the JSKs and OPs. I've got a couple skirts. I'm walking so close to you now. Oh my God. Two that I made, and I made these ages and ages ago. I think this would look cute with the pink bodyline blouse. It's got patches on it, and it's weird. It's out there. I really don't care. This is a bit more subdued. I might add some lace to it. Something. It's just a nice flower print. And then this, there's a petticoat and a random pair of bloomers behind it. This is Meta's typewriting squirrel skirt, and it's got squirrels on it. More things should have squirrels on them, in my opinion. It's perfect. I love it. Got it off Lace Market for cheap. It's everything I wanted. I feel like I'm about to take off with this head bow on. So, that. I've got 3 pairs of actual Lolita shoes, and these are all recent purchases. And yes, this is because I changed jobs and I'm in a better situation financially. Oh my God. So, these are the ones from Bodyline, and they say they're Saks, but gosh, this dress is mint. And these look like mint. I'm sorry. And I was so happy when I opened this package from Bodyline and I put these shoes on, and they actually fit me, because that means I actually read the size chart correctly. This is another pair of shoes. I got these off Lolita Collective, and I think the brand is So Sick Shop. And they're a little snug on me. I was wearing thick socks when I tried them on. It's been winter in Chicago for the past 6 months. So I've been wearing thick socks, but it's got little hearts on the buckles, and both these and the Bodyline shoes have snaps on the buckles, which for me is, I wanted to cry when I noticed that, because I knew I was going to have difficulty with buckles because of the arthritis in my fingers, and no, they got snaps. I could just put them on and take them off, no problem. It's a huge accessibility thing for me. I don't even remember the brand of these. It just says there's Chinese characters, and then it says Lolita, and they're little bear shoes. And again, they fit. I read the size chart correctly. By the way, the shoes from Lolita Collective, their size conversion is pretty accurate, so yeah. That's my 3 pairs of shoes. There's a couple other lollyable pair of shoes that I'll wear. Alright. Here's, I've got 1 actual cut sew and 3 shirts that I wear as cut sews. So the actual cut sew is Bodyline. A lot of Bodyline. Yeah. It's a plain t-shirt. I've got these 2 H&M tops with the lace on the top. I like these. I used to wear these to the office a lot too, honestly, but I work in a greenhouse now, and we're literally like jeans and t-shirts all the time. But like, these look really cute under a JSK. And then this last one, I thrifted it. It's a New York & Company fancy t-shirt. And bags. I haven't got too many. These are just things that I wear out with Lolita. This one I haven't worn yet. It was another double inspired purchase. It was adorable in the photos. You cannot fit, oh geez, you cannot fit anything in the back of this. Check it out. I know my phone is a giant brick, but yeah, check it out. So I'm gonna do some liposuction on this guy to get him fit. He's precious though. I love dinosaurs. I have nothing dinosaur themed as far as dresses go, but I don't care. I have this one paper chase satchel that I've had for ages and ages. I don't even know how old this is. I've got a Fox bag that I thrifted, and this, and also this unicorn tote bag. I really don't use that often. I really prefer a crossbody bag, but they're alright. This is a tiny little Ouija board purse that I thrifted. I don't know how I feel about it. I've worn it once. It is itty bitty. And this one my neighbor actually got for me in Germany, and I know it's another really tiny bag, but I adore it. Oh, I've got stuff in there. Okay. Well, that was my entire wardrobe tour. My cat is now crying. I think he wants to be let out of timeout, so I'm gonna go take care of that, and thank you so much for watching. Maybe I'll do an accessory video in future. What I realize now doing this wardrobe tour, I'm gonna be on 100% no buy until 100% worn. Also, I'm seeing where the holes are in my wardrobe, what I should be getting. I think I need to lay off the main pieces for just a little bit. Maybe get a couple more blouses, a couple cardigans, another halfway decent bag. A nice navy pair of shoes would be really great, but yeah, it was good to see this, and it was good for me to take an inventory of what I've got, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I don't know how you stumbled upon this, but I hope to see you all again soon. Thanks. Bye. And that's what it looks like when it's all hung up in my closet. Yes. Yes. Along with all my normie clothes. Yup. And Porthos. And my swim bag. And God knows what else. Thanks again. Ow! What are you doing? Porthos!